Friday, Japanese Chief Cabinet Secretary Yoshito Sunguko said China and Japan need to work toward improving bilateral relations.
He says it is true that China-Japan relations have shown signs of deterioration, but efforts are still needed to deepen bilateral relations between the two countries. The comments came as the Naha, Okinawa prosecutor's office said it would release the Chinese fishing boat captain Friday.
However, according to Japan's Jiji Press, Japan on Saturday turned down China's call for compensation and apology for the detention of the captain.